Ever wanted to create your own micropet, a bit like a Tamagotchi? In this video, we will show you how you can use the Micropet website to be able to create your own micropet. The Micropet website is a free website that you can use and access on any device. So let's get started and see how we can create our very own micropet. You can access the Micropet website from any device, whether it's a laptop, an iPad or a tablet. Simply type in micropet.org in your address bar at the top of your screen and it will take you to the Micropet website. We are then going to tap on the Let's Code button, which will take us to this page, and we're going to tap on the Make Code Editor. When this loads up, your screen might look similar to mine with projects that you've already tried before, or you might be doing this for the first time. You just need to be able to scroll down past the tutorials and we are looking for the pet hamster icon. It's on the row that says tutorials for the new Micropet version 2. So I'm just going to tap on pet hamster and it will say, let's make your own Micropet hamster named Cyrus. We're going to tap on the tutorial button and it will give us a little bit of information, and then step by step it will take us through what we need to do. So you can just go in and just start to build up your pet hamster. It gives you the information at the top and you can have it read out to you if you want to. And then once you've done what it's asking you to do, you then just scroll down and tap on the next button. And then you're literally just going to build up the code from where you have your little buttons on the side, and it then tells you what you need to be able to do. Okay, so this one's telling me now step 4 of 9, I need to go to the music, I need to go to melody, and I'm just going to put that at the bottom of my on logo pressed, and it tells me to change it to melody jump up. So I tap on that little down arrow and I'm going to go to jump up. There we go. And again, as always, once you've gone through, it then tells you that actually if Cyrus is sad, we're going to give him a sad face. And then we are going to see if we need to add in some music. So let's have a look. We've got our sad face there. Oh, yep, we're right. We need to add in some music. So we're going to put that in there. And this time the music is Da Da Dum, which is great. We've got that there. So it tells us to be able to go through. We want to be able to go back to that kind of sleepy face. So we need to put that on the bottom of the on shake button. If I just move my code up so you can see. And we're also going to put it on the bottom of the logo pressed one as well, just so that it always goes back to your little hamster being set. Now you can work through this tutorial. There are 9 steps that you need to do. When you've done the final step, it will tell you to use your simulator, which is on the left hand side of your screen. We're just going to get rid of the mute button so we can see our speakers are on. And now we're going to have a go. So we're going to shake. There we go. And then we are going to touch the logo at the top. That's going to tickle him. There we go. And you can actually transfer this code onto your Micropet. However, you don't have to have an actual physical Micropet to use this software at all. Once you've pressed done, the options are really now up to you. You could leave it that way if you wanted to, but now down the middle of the screen you will see you have all of these different types of code block that you can now use. So if you wanted to be able to give your Micropet some love, for example, if I go to input and go to button A is pressed, I might want to do a loop and have a little animation of some hearts. So I'm just going to put in a big heart button first. Then I'm going to put in a small heart button just by tapping on that down arrow beside it. So now, if I tap my Micropet, I now have a flashing heart button, which is great. But remember, what do I need to do at the end of that one? That's right, I just need to put that sleepy hamster face or whatever animal you want to have there at the bottom. So really, once you've gone through the tutorial, you can leave it the way that it is, or you can experiment and see what you can do with your own special Micropet. We can't wait to see what you have created. So why not share it with us? Go on to the Showbie app, put in this class code, and you will be able to access our Discover Digital Learning Zone Showbie account. This is where you can share all of your amazing creations with us, and we can have a look at them here at Family Fund and give you some well-deserved feedback. We can't wait to see what you create.